Hey, you could see it.
Is it Tom?
You can see some of the light.
Oh, Tom.
Alrighty.
You can?
Waiting for the rocket ship.
Unless it's not dark enough.
Oh, it's dark enough. Don't worry.
I can't see. I can't
I
see.
saw it before. 180.
We're not too many miles. Keep looking out for it. What?
See it?
Yeah.
What's it? The rocket ship.
Holy shit.
Oh my God. That's amazing.
It's a rocket ship.
Oh, there
Look
it
at
is.
it.
Woo!
Kara's recording.
Paris.
I'm recording it.
Whoa!
I could see it.
I can't see it.
Orlando is Cape Canaveral.
Kennedy.
Oh my God! Look at the fire they're
Look at that, man.
Look at all that fire.
Look at the fire.
Look at all that fire. You can see all the fire. That's amazing.
That's
I
amazing.
can't see it no more. Where's it going?
Where was it going? Right there.
Well, we gotta go over here now. This is amazing.
Just stand right here.
I got it on here. This is amazing.
Look at the color.
You know how fast it's moving?
At least 60 miles an
Let's go.
You'll see it, right?
hour. Yeah.
I can still see it,
Oh, yeah,
kinda.
I can see it.
So we can
Get a reflection from the sun.
This is amazing.
Just about.
It just looks like a tiny star.
Oh yeah, I see it.
You still see it.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, I can still see it a little bit. Just a little
I
bit,
can't see it
though.
anymore.
Oh,
Drop.
that's it. That's it.
Oh, I see it.